Okay, in this problem, we're to take the benzene ring to this disubstituted aromatic ring. And so these problems where it lists out the reagents, it's probably a good idea to just write out what you get as you're going along. So we start out, let's do A first. The first step puts a nitro group on. Hydrogen and palladium, reduces that to an amine. And then when we add acetyl chloride and aluminum chloride, remember acetyl chloride is this. We have an orthoparadrector. So that would likely lead to there. But it also, you have an amine and acid chloride, that could very well give this product as well. So this thing right here is probably going to be a little bit on the messy side. But continuing on, NaNO2 creates the diazonium. And copper cyanide replaces that diazonium with a nitrile. And this has the two groups para to each other. That eliminates A as an option. Since A is not an option, the all of the above option also goes away. Now let's take a look at option B. Option B, start out with the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Puts an acetyl group on, followed by nitration. That adds the nitro group meta, because the acetyl group is a meta director. Hydrogenation. And then the last two steps convert the amine to the nitrile. So here they are meta to each other. So that's a possibility. Let's take a look at the next one. So we've eliminated A and D. B is still a possibility. Now let's investigate C. C starts out with a nitro group, followed by acetyl chloride, and so it is essentially just like B. The only difference is the first two steps are reversed. And the problem with reversing those first two steps is this, the Friedel-Crafts acylation, does not work on strongly deactivated rings. Has a tendency to fail. And what makes a ring a strongly deactivated ring is a meta director. So if you have a meta director on your aromatic ring, there's a good chance that Friedel-Crafts acylation isn't going to work. Here, this ring has a meta director on it, so therefore this reaction here fails. And so we're left with B as the option, and B is the correct answer.